So today I'll be learning about Bluetooth security. So Bluetooth has a considerably lesser range than Wi-Fi. So it cannot be hacked from a long distance. You have to be in close vicinity to break into Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth security has various layers security. So it is present in various network layers. For example, in physical layer, it has little security, where the Piconet has to be told the frequency hopping sequence, which is not a secret, obviously. Then we talk about the security at further layers. Now, when we have a slave and a master, two devices, slave wants to connect to the master. So what happens is, for example, we have an earphone or something like that, an iPad or something like that, and it wants to connect to some earphone device. Then there will be a pass key, which is a shared key between both of them, and these sometimes can be hard coded by the manufacturers also. For example, let's say Apple is manufacturing both the device as well as the earphone, then they can have the pass key as hard coded, for example 0000 or something like that. But this makes it less secure. So again, it's a 4-digit key, so we have very limited choices, only 9999 from 0 to 9999, that is 10,000 choices only. So this can be easily broken. So what happens is, when we have to establish a channel, then between the slave and the master, they both check why, like for the passkey, whether the other person knows the passkey. So now the passkeys have become 6 digits, so it is even more secure. Now once they see that the other one has the passkey which I am having, it's matching, then they both will agree upon a session key, which is from now onwards it will be going to be used for any communication encryption. So we'll be using a stream cipher for the encryption here. So that will be used for further communications once the session key is finalized between the master and the slave. So this is how Bluetooth security works. It authenticates the devices. So let's say if my device gets into someone else's hands, then they can basically, without requiring to log in or anything, they can basically get the data which is shared across the Bluetooth. So that's why the security is on a device basis and not on a user basis. So that is again not a great thing to have from the security perspective. Hope I was able to explain briefly the concepts of security in Bluetooth. Please let me know your suggestions in the comments. Thank you, friends.